Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Windows cannot find the setup.exe file and it says make sure you type the name in correctly and try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, I usually open up Google Chrome for these tutorials, and that's what we're going to do in this one. And then I'm going to have a URL in the description of the video for our Microsoft domain here, so docs.microsoft.com. Go ahead and search that up, and this is going to launch the Repair the Net Framework utility here. So go ahead and just select this hyperlink that says .NET Framework Repair Tool, and it should take a moment to download. Go ahead and open that up. Once it's done downloading, you receive a user account control prompt. Make sure it says Microsoft Corporation here and then select yes. You want to accept and read the license terms and then select next. And once that's done, just go ahead and select next here. It'll apply recommended changes. And then it says changes complete. Go ahead and select finish. So if you were to try and reinstall the DirectX package that you're having the issue with before, or maybe just forgetting this pop-up, this should hopefully be able to resolve it. Again, you might need to go back on and re-download the DirectX utility. So if you just went on to Google here and just typed in DirectX download and you just search that up, and we went to the Microsoft domain here for the DirectX end user runtime web installer, and we're going to go select the download button. Again, this should be pretty self-explanatory at this point, guys, but I just want to demonstrate exactly what I'm talking about here. So you just go ahead and open that up, select yes. Again, it should be a Microsoft Corporation domain there. Make sure you're getting it from Microsoft. We're going to accept the agreement and then select next. I'm not going to install the Bing bar. I'm going to uncheck that and then select next again. And then select next. I just was checking how much space it needed, so give it a moment. Okay, so once it's done, select finish, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.